Guys, welcome back. Now today in this video we are going to unbox the Canon PowerShot SX430 IS. Okay, and this has Wi-Fi, NFC, and 20 megapixel, 40x 45x zoom, and it has 75 cm into 3 LCDs. Now let's unbox and see what is there in that. There you go. There are instruction manual. Okay, here it is. Cool. So we have charger cable. It's UK pin and 2-pin point and a battery. This is made in China. This is red and this is the charger where the battery goes like this. Okay, wedge, the Canon PowerShot looks like SX430. Okay, yeah, nice packing. And this is very good camera. Next session I will record and show you how to flash, how to zoom, how you can see what is the quality, videos, and all. Charger, battery, this is for memory card, and remember this doesn't come with the camera cover and and this is the lens. Yeah, it's pretty nice, it's pretty good. And this is the zoom in, zoom out, and this is power button, and here you need to put this thread, and this is play news, and this is the tripod hook where you need to put the pod and put it like this, and this is mic. And yeah, good thing is it has a nice holding grip. Yeah, you don't fall from your hand. Okay, let's give a try and start it by putting this way. You can see that 3 dots. Got it. And this 3 should match. This is how it looks like in 360.